Hey there, high fashion doll lovers. I am just Christopher y bienvenidos to my channel. Now, if you haven't been to this channel before, please make sure to press the subscribe button right along with the bell notification so you can get notified whenever there is a new video. Yes, I am not a professional at this. Got it. Alright. I think a lot of that jitter that was happening in that little intro that I have yet to really master is my excitement. I am super excited for this unboxing. And I'm sure a lot of people are like, it's a basic doll, but it's the basic doll. I say that because the sister to this particular doll, right? Yeah, it's like that, was maybe probably the only holy grail on my list. Yes, changing when Eden was that girl. So to get the Lilith as a basic, it's just that moment that has me with so much excitement. Also, I don't know where that accent came from. I want to play with her. I have some Roxy by Barbie that I've actually never showcased. So I think she'll be the perfect model to kind of give us a little spring-summer preview of what to wear on our chill, I don't know, days or something. Something or the other. Okay, enough of that. I took her out of the other box. Here she is. Slim. Just slim. That's really all that we got for this. It's a very narrow box. Ooh. Maybe I should have thought about that before I did it. I don't know why I made the assumption the box was going to be different. And I don't know why I made that assumption because we've already had some basic Nufaces. Shout out to Nuface. You've kind of started this trend of basic dolls, and I, for one, am very thankful. I think as a redresser, restyler, whichever one you want to call it, having basic dolls is like goals. There we go. But anyways, yeah, having basic dolls is a goal so we can like have more models to play with and dress and, you know, be creative in that department. Oh, I really don't like these boxes. I think I've said that before. There we go. I already saw her. Oh my god, she's perfection. So pretty. So pretty. Oh, there's just, oh, there's the certificate of authenticity. 2,000, boo. I got 1,598. Ooh. That was close. It was close to the end there. Good to know. I do keep these. You can stay there. I don't keep this because I don't keep the doll. It's just so... She's just so pretty. Okay. Sorry. Here she is. Gorge. Like, can we talk about it? Like, ugh. I like want to keep her close to my heart. Is how I'm feeling right now. Now, if this is your first time on my channel, I like to unbox my girls off camera. I like to have a moment with them as we're unboxing, and I don't want you to struggle with me while I undo whatever this is. So, I will be right back. I will be displaying her as she was introduced. I'll say that. And then we'll get into some fashion shows and have a fashion party. See you soon. Okay, if you've been to my channel, you know I love a good shoe, and these are some of my favorite. I love how just simple, straightforward they are, and I love the color that was offered to us this time, so gotta give them a shout out. Now, up to this queen. Absolutely stunning. She is just perfection. Look at that face. Look at that screening. Look at that pairing. Love. Now, I want to talk about this outfit. I, for one, am super excited we got something athletic looking sportswear, really basic. Why? I like to think of my girls as supermodels that travel and work. And you know, you can't be wearing an evening gown all the time. It's just not realistic. And with Integrity's quality, I would love some like really well made athletic clothes. So I hope to see more of these and variations of this because this is something very in the now with fashion and it gives us great playing potential. I think so. I might mix some of this with my Roxy that I mentioned earlier, but I definitely have another outfit that I wanted to use it and throw something on. So I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, I just wanted to throw this one in there. This one's super simple. This is a duster that Kyle made for me that I'm absolutely in love with. And I just kind of wanted to throw it onto this. It's very like the perfect outfit for a casual gender reveal. She is ready for your gender reveal. All right, now let's get into this Roxy. So for this look, I mixed the Integrity shorts to kind of give it a little bit more of a beach vibe. It was just the, I'll call it a bodysuit. I'm not really 100% sure if I would say it was a swimsuit, but it's just a bodysuit. And I gave it a pair of shorts. Super like cool, cute, summer vibes. She's ready for the beach. Just love it. Do you see how the colors just look so pretty on her? My camera's not focusing on. There we go. Can't lie, this is probably one of my favorite outfits from this Roxy collection. I love how it almost feels like PJs, but it feels like something you could wear out for like a brunch. She is looking super tropical and like kind of even Hawaii vibes, which is super dope. The bag is actually really, really nice. But yeah, just stunning. One of my favorite looks. Couldn't wait to like put it on someone, and she is just perfect in it. So here's another look. I use the boots again just to keep it kind of clean and simple. I kind of use the boots sometimes as like my version of sneakers because, well, I like my girls with high heels, so I don't really have a lot of sneakers for them. Just to give you that little tad. But here she is in another look, looking super cash, super cute, ready for the beach. Very Cali. Loves it. All right, another one. Disclaimer, as much as I love these shoes, they are a bit hard to put on. I won't sit here and act like they're not, but I feel like once you get the hang of them, it's super easy. But yes, they are a bit of a struggle. Now for my final look, I am obsessed. Like she's goals in this outfit. She's just stunning. I am so excited. Yeah, there she is. What else can I say? She like owns it. It's just perfect. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning into this video with me, just Christopher here on my channel. Now, if you haven't already, please make sure to hit the like button if you like today's content, right along with the bell notification so you can get reminded whenever I have any video. Make sure to leave a comment and share so you can spread it to the Dolly universe out there. Until next time guys, see you soon. Bye.